Welcome to Your Health, a channel dedicated to providing essential information to help you take care of your health and well-being. Here, you'll find topics on nutrition, vitamins, and tips for leading a healthier lifestyle. Our focus is to help you make informed choices, from the importance of vitamins like B12 to practical tips for a more balanced life. If you're looking to improve your mental and physical health, or just learn more about keeping your body in peak condition, you're in the right place. Join our To Your Health community and subscribe so you don't miss any of our valuable content. Take care of your health and live life to the fullest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Understanding stem cells, the body's repair crew. Stem cells are fascinating and vital components of our biology. They are often referred to as the body's master cells because of their incredible potential and versatility. Stem cells are like the body's master cells. These cells have the remarkable ability to develop into many different cell types in the body during early life and growth. They also serve as an internal repair system in many tissues, dividing essentially without limit to replenish other cells as long as the person or animal is still alive. They have a unique ability. They can turn into other types of cells. This process is known as differentiation, where a single stem cell can become a muscle cell, a red blood cell, or even a brain cell. This ability is what makes stem cells so special and crucial for our body's functioning. This makes them crucial for growth, repair, and replacing damaged cells throughout our lives. When we get injured, stem cells rush to the site of damage and start the repair process. They can transform into the specific type of cell needed to mend the tissue, whether it's skin, bone, or muscle. Think of a cut healing or a broken bone mending. Stem cells are the heroes behind these incredible feats. They work tirelessly behind the scenes, ensuring that our bodies can recover from injuries and continue to function properly. From our muscles to our brains, these versatile cells are essential for maintaining our health and vitality. They play a key role in keeping our organs and tissues in optimal condition, allowing us to perform daily activities and stay active. Without them, our bodies wouldn't be able to keep up with the wear and tear of daily life. Stem cells are truly the unsung heroes of our biology, working constantly to repair and rejuvenate our bodies, ensuring that we can live healthy and active lives. Aging and stem cells, a natural decline. As we age, a natural decline happens in our stem cell activity. This decline is a natural part of the aging process, affecting everyone to varying degrees. Stem cells are crucial for maintaining our body's health by repairing tissues and regenerating cells. However, as we grow older, their efficiency diminishes. This slowdown means our bodies become less efficient at repairing damage and replacing old or dysfunctional cells. For instance, a simple cut or bruise that would have healed quickly in our youth now takes longer to mend. Everyday activities like getting up from a chair or recovering from minor injuries become more challenging. This can contribute to various age-related issues, from slower healing to an increased risk of disease. Conditions such as arthritis, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases become more prevalent as our stem cells lose their regenerative capabilities. The body's ability to fend off infections and recover from illnesses also weakens, making us more susceptible to health problems. The good news? We can influence this process. While we cannot stop aging, we can adopt habits that support our stem cell health. Regular physical activities such as walking, yoga, or strength training can help maintain our body's repair mechanisms. Mental well-being practices like meditation and mindfulness also play a role in promoting overall health. By adopting certain lifestyle habits and dietary choices, we can naturally support our stem cell health and promote longevity. A balanced diet rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals can provide the necessary nutrients for stem cell function. Engaging in hobbies and social activities keeps our minds active and bodies moving, further supporting our health. It's like giving our body's internal repair crew a boost. Just as a mechanic needs the right tools and conditions to fix a machine, our stem cells need the right environment to function optimally. By making conscious choices, we can enhance our body's natural ability to repair and regenerate, leading to a healthier, more vibrant life as we age. Power up with your plate diet for stem cell health. What we eat plays a huge role in our overall health, and that includes our stem cells. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, healthy fats and lean protein provides the building blocks for optimal cellular function. Antioxidants found in colourful produce help protect our cells from damage. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados and olive oil, support cell membrane integrity. And lean protein provides the amino acids necessary for cell growth and repair. Supplement your way to healthier stem cells. While a healthy diet is foundational, certain supplements can give our stem cells an extra edge. Astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant found in algae, has been shown to protect stem cells from oxidative stress. Spirulina, a nutrient-dense blue-green algae, is another potent antioxidant that may support stem cell health. Vitamin C, essential for collagen production, is also crucial for maintaining the integrity of our tissues and organs. Section 5. Nature's boosters, herbs and extracts for stem cells. Mother Nature provides us with an abundance of healing plants, and some have shown remarkable effects on stem cell function. Turmeric, a golden spice celebrated for its anti-inflammatory properties, contains curcumin, a compound that may help protect and regenerate stem cells. Green tea, rich in antioxidants called catechins, has also demonstrated potential in supporting stem cell health. Reishi mushrooms, revered in traditional medicine, are being studied for their ability to enhance stem cell activity. Section 6. Move your body, rejuvenate your cells. Exercise and stem cells. Physical activity isn't just good for our muscles and heart, it's a boon for our stem cells too. Exercise helps release growth factors that can stimulate stem cell production and migration to areas in need of repair. Whether it's a brisk walk, a bike ride, or a strength training session, regular physical activity is like a wake-up call for our stem cells, encouraging them to get to work rejuvenating our bodies. Section 7. Rest and de-stress, sleep and stress management for stem cell health. Quality sleep is essential for overall well-being, and it's no different for our stem cells. During deep sleep, our bodies go into repair mode and stem cells are deployed to regenerate tissues and organs. Chronic stress, on the other hand, can wreak havoc on our bodies, including our stem cells. Finding healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature, can protect our stem cells and promote overall health. Section 8. Fasting for cellular renewal, autophagy and stem cell production. Fasting, a practice that has been around for centuries, has gained popularity in recent years for its potential health benefits, including its impact on stem cells. From ancient religious rituals to modern health trends, fasting has always been a part of human culture. Today, science is uncovering the mechanisms behind its benefits. When we fast, our bodies initiate a process called autophagy, where cells essentially clean house, getting rid of damaged components and recycling them for energy. This process is crucial for maintaining cellular health and function. Autophagy helps in removing dysfunctional proteins and organelles, thus preventing cellular damage and promoting longevity. This cellular cleansing process is thought to enhance stem cell function and promote regeneration. Stem cells are vital for repairing and regenerating tissues, and autophagy ensures they remain healthy and functional. By clearing out the old and damaged parts, autophagy creates a more favorable environment for stem cells to thrive and multiply. There are various approaches to fasting, from intermittent fasting to longer fasts, each with its own set of benefits and considerations. Intermittent fasting, for example, involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, which can be easier to maintain and still provide significant health benefits. Longer fasts, on the other hand, may offer deeper cellular cleansing and more profound regenerative effects, but require careful planning and medical supervision. Understanding the different methods and their impacts can help individuals choose the best approach for their health goals. Section 9. Environmental influences protecting your stem cells. Our environment can impact our health in countless ways, and our stem cells are no exception. Exposure to toxins, pollutants, and even excessive sun can damage our cells and impair their function. Reducing our exposure to harmful substances, eating organic foods whenever possible, and using natural cleaning products are some ways to protect our stem cells from environmental damage. Proper hydration is also key for optimal cellular function. Section 10. A holistic approach to stem cell health. Boosting our stem cells naturally isn't about a single magic bullet, but embracing a holistic approach that supports overall health and well-being. By focusing on a nutrient-rich diet, regular exercise, quality sleep, stress management, and mindful environmental choices, we can create an internal environment where our stem cells can thrive. Remember, small consistent changes over time can make a big difference in our long-term health and vitality. If you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips, like share, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when I upload a new video.
If you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up. Share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when I upload a new video.